If you plan to run off-road lights or other electrical accessories, a power distribution center can make life a lot easier. Take a look at the SourceLT with Mini 6 from sPOD. This allows you to run up to 6 accessories from one centralized control panel instead of trying to wire everything directly to your battery. It reduces wire harness complexity, eliminating unnecessary relays and fuses, and you only need to route one cable into the cab. Mounting the Mini 6 is much easier and cleaner than trying to figure out where to drill a bunch of holes for switches that might not even match. Now all of your accessories will be easier to install and easier to service. This is not a simple fuse box. At the heart of the SourceLT is a state-of-the-art board with 6 circuits, each offering self-healing fault protection for accessories up to 30 amps. It also has a low voltage cutoff feature to save your battery. It has built-in Bluetooth, which allows you to control the system with your mobile device when you download the sPOD Bantam app. Coming in smaller than a deck of cards, the Mini 6 switch doesn't take up a lot of real estate. It's programmable, so you can adjust the backlight brightness or even change the function of a switch. Press for on, then press for off, or change the button to momentary so that it's only energized while you're pressing it. The SourceLT and Mini 6 are made in the USA, and sPOD backs it by a 1-year warranty. We ship it for free to the lower 48 states, so if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.